Hi, this is Greg from Structure Toolkit. Updating a network USB license to reflect your updated subscription or new features can be done in a few ways, and will depend on the kind of network license setup you have in place. Do note that the process for updating a single USB license is slightly different, which we've covered in a previous video. In this video, we'll go through the 4 methods of updating your network USB, being through the license manager, the license service tools, the license updater, and the structural toolkit program itself. Skip ahead in the video if you just want to look at a particular method. The most straightforward way to update your network license will be by using the license program you are currently using to manage the license on your network, being either the license manager or license service tools. Before we start, you'll want to make sure that the computer or server you are updating the network license on has the red network USB plugged into it. If you're unsure which licensing option you are using, have a look at either the toolbar or tool tray at the bottom of the screen. You should be able to find either a license manager or license tools icon. Have a look at our setting up a network license video to learn more about how the network license works if needed. For users who are using the license manager, you can update the license within the manager providing you are using version 2.5.0.6 or later by going to the Help tab and under the Updates drop-down press the Update License button. This will then check the SDK server to see if there are any license updates available. If a license update is found, you just need to click Yes to then apply it. If you are using an older version of the license manager, you can update to the current version by downloading the latest Structural Toolkit tools from the user portal on the SDK website. You can log in using the user details provided to you. If after updating your license manager you find that your network license is not valid for the updated version of the license manager, you will then need to use the license updater program to update your license instead, so skip ahead to that part of this video. If no license updates are found when you press the license update button and your license is still out of date, which you can check by hovering over the license text to the bottom left, then contact our support team to help you with your subscription. For users who are using the license service to manage their network license, you can update the license using the license tools by right-clicking on the icon in the bottom right tool tray, clicking Check for License Updates, which will bring up an event log that will show if any updates are available. If you can see that an update has been found, then you can right-click the icon in the tool tray again and apply the license updates. If the update is successful, you will be able to see your updated features in the event log. You can also press the Dump Features option at any time to see your current features. If you're unable to find the license update and your license is still out of date, contact our support team for help with your subscription. An alternative way to update your network license is by using the license updater. However, first you will need to stop and close the network license software you are currently using. The license updater can be found within the program files where the Structural Toolkit license tools has been installed, or by searching for it in the Windows start bar. It will be called License Updater v2. Typically, the program will automatically detect the USB license. In the event that it doesn't, you may need to press the Connect and Detect buttons here. Below will be details on your USB license. It will show the currently set subscription date on your USB and your current license features, and doesn't reflect the license information you will be updating to just yet. To update the license, click the Update button and press Yes. Your updated license information should then display. If no updates are found and your license still shows out of date, or the program is unable to detect your license, contact the SDK support team for help. Do note that Windows 7 does not have the necessary security requirements to connect to the SDK server, and the license updater will not work on it in most cases. Ensure you are using a later version of Windows to update your license. Finally, you are also able to update your network license within Structural Toolkit itself. However, to do this, you'll need to stop the network software you're currently using and move the USB to a computer you have Structural Toolkit installed on, With the USB plugged in, you would update the license in the same way as a single user USB license. For more details on how to do this, have a look at our Updating a Single User USB License video. We'll include a link to this in the description below. That about covers the different ways to update a network USB license. Feel free to check out our website for other tips and videos. Thanks for watching.